Hi everyone, and welcome to the Breast is Best workshop. Now this campaign that I decided to do for the course of this semester is on breast cancer. This type of breast cancer awareness that I have chosen to do is for helping men and women between the ages of 18 and 60 years of age. The goal is to help inspire, empower, and help change the lives of those who have been diagnosed or who know someone that has been diagnosed with breast cancer. Here are some breast cancer facts. There have been reports that 1 in 8 women in the U.S. will develop invasive breast cancer. Also, it has been reported that men are also susceptible of being diagnosed with breast cancer. In 2019, there has been a projected percentage that there will be 2,670 new cases of invasive breast cancer in men. It's been discovered that if someone is a carrier of BRCA1 and BRCA2 genes, they are at greater risk of being diagnosed with breast cancer. Learn about how to give yourself a self-breast exam. Self-breast exams are not only important, but they are free and will help you go through a step-by-step process on how to check for lumps, skin dimpling, deformation, and other signs. This type of breast cancer will help you stay in tune with your body and what you might be able to expect. Here is a self-breast exam step-by-step photo here, and we encourage women and men to do this about once a month. And what we have you do is we have you lift up your arm and examine your breast as well as your armpit with the raised arm. With your other hand, you would use your 3 fingers, which is your index finger, your middle finger, and your ring finger, to massage the armpit and the breast to massage and to look for any lumps. Be sure to massage up and down, wedges, and also do circular rotations. It is also important that you look in the mirror and examine your breast so that you can look for skin dimpling and check for other lumps. It's also a good idea to check for change in skin color, texture, or nipple deformation. Know that you are never alone. Anyone can be diagnosed with breast cancer. It could be mild, slightly aggressive, or a severe diagnosis. And it is not easy on anyone. We hold support groups for people who know someone going through breast cancer, as well as people going through the stages of cancer. There are counselors and people who want to help you. So just know that we are here to support you with whatever you need, whether it is helping you get to doctor's appointments, talking you to one-on-one, or to become your friend. We care about you and know that we will be there for you every step of the way. For more information, please visit our Facebook site, Instagram page, and Twitter feed at breastisbest.org. Also, you can email us at breastisbestcampaign@gmail.com, and you can call us at 951-555-2945. Now, does anyone have any questions? Thank you.